Thank you. Fifteen. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 100 left max, 80. 6 left to gate and 40 turn square left. 60. Flat over crest, 250 down steep. Right max through dip and 200. Chicane left entry. 130. Right max tightens at 40 into 5 left, 150. Turn square right, gate on exit. And right max long at 130, small crest to 150, left max by trees, 100, right max 130, 3 left, 40, right max and 80, slowing, 6 left long over crest to sudden hairpin right, tightens long. And 40, 3 left long at 60, left max 230, chicane right entry. And 170 small crest which continues for 100 to 5 left, slowing hairpin right. And 370, right max at fire brake and 400. Repeat 400, 6 left long, 80, gate, turn hairpin left. And gate on exit. And 4 left okay, 130, 3 right and 4 left flat, 170. Chicane, right entry, narrow, 300. Two left at fire brake, fast, 300. Repeat, 300, logs turn square right. And logs on exit, 270. Square right, don't cut, 200. Repeat, 200, right max, 200. Left over crest and slowing to 40, sudden turn square left. Into 4 left, keeping, continues 150 into 4 left again and 230. Right max, don't cut stones, 130. Right max again to small dip and 80. Turn right into acute left, don't cut ditches. And square right, and 100. Right max long, 40, flat over crest, 300. Right max in, 350. Repeat, 350 over flat crest to left max in, 200. Left max in again, 400. At the logs, square left in, 80. Small crest and 60 down steep, turn 4 left in, sorry, 4 right, 170, turn hairpin right after buildings, 100, 5 right in over small crest, 60, 5 left and 40 over crest, 3 right, 60, 4 right, 100, 2 right, don't cut, 230, right max in, 150, flat over crest and 200, right max, 40, flat crest, 170, flat crest again, 150, keep right which continues and tightens to 3 right in, 60 slow into chicane, right entry, and left max, 80, turn 5 left, don't cut post, 60, 5 right opens long, 40, left max over crest, 100, 3 left in over crest, 40, left max continues to 100 and 100, turn hairpin left. And 200, unseen dip, bump into 4 right, tightens in. And 3 left, don't cut logs. And 2 right, tight, into. Left max long, 80. Flat over crest, 150. Flat over crest again, 130. 3 right minus and 5 left flat, 40. Left max and right max, 60. Gate. Care to 2 left, tightens at junction. Okay.